Hello viewers, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In our today's class, we are going to consider this radical equation clearly written on the board. But before then, if you are watching my video for the first time, consider subscribing and also put on your notification bell because you will never want to miss all my content for any reason. Thank you so much. So we have a problem on the board that says x raised power of x divided by x is equals to x squared. So follow me, let's solve this equation together. As we can see that the equation has 2 as the highest power. That means we need to expect at least 2 different solutions. Sometimes it even pass. Sometimes it may even exceed. We may even have 3 different solutions, but at least we have to expect 2 different solutions as regard this particular equation. So let's see how we can handle the equation. So solution, we know that based on the law of indices, we know that this denominator is raised power of 1. So I can replace the whole thing by saying x raised power of x minus 1 is equals to x squared. So having the same basis, we can equate the powers. So that means x minus 1 is now equals 2. So in order to have all the solutions, I want to square both sides. So to square both sides, that means this will be squared and this will also be squared. So I want to make everything to be equals to 0 because we are looking for all the possible solutions. So x minus 1 squared minus 2 squared is now equals to 0. So from here we know that we can use the difference of 2 squares. That means we know that whenever I have a, so my people, going by this, we can adopt the same thing as regard to this x minus 1 squared minus 2 squared. So that means I'm going to have x minus 1 plus 2 multiplying x minus 1 minus 2 to be equals 0. So from here we need to deal with the bracket or parenthesis one after the other. That means here I have x minus 1 plus 2, I have plus 1 multiplying, I have minus 1 minus 2, I have x minus 3 is equals to 0. Very simple. So from this point we know that rule that says whenever I have 2 brackets multiplying each other to be equals to 0, that means one of the bracket is equals to 0. So that means x plus 1 is equals to 0, or x minus 3 is equals to 0. That means x is now equals to minus 1, or x is now equals to positive 3. So these are the possible values of x that will satisfy this particular equation.